The Common App makes it easy for an admissions team to understand your academic successes in high school. Your academic experiences will always be the most important part of your college application, so let's make sure your hard work gets in front of the admissions committees. In the Common App tab, look on the left for Education. It starts with your high school details. If you've earned some college credit already, you'll list those as well. Next is Grades. Some colleges, like the U, require your high school to send official copies of your transcript. Make sure they include your counselor's information. They will be notified by the Common App to submit your transcripts electronically to make the step easier for you. If there are any questions about this, please contact your counselor's office and they'll help you out. When you're adding your school history, don't forget to include classes you're taking at the end of your senior year, all the way up to graduation. If you don't include your senior year schedule, it'll prevent admissions counselors from fully understanding all the rigorous classes you've taken. They review this information for admissions and merit scholarship consideration, so it's important to fill this out accurately. Then you'll move to any school honors or academic awards you have received. When you click on Testing, you can enter the results of any standardized tests you've taken. Some schools require test scores for applications. The University of Utah is test optional for admissions and merit scholarships, but you can choose to report any standardized test scores you want to include in your application. That was a big one. It gets easier after this.